This is a bunch of processes. Dipping this into slurry. Next is metal pouring. Can produce the complex shape. It is very easy. Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about investment casting process. So we already know about what is casting process. So here investment casting process is one special type of casting process. Here we use temporary pattern that is made of wax. That wax is created like the product we want. So investment casting is not a process, this is a bunch of processes. So here these are the steps to create the product using investment casting process. Firstly, we create the wax pattern. The wax pattern is like the product we want to create. So here we can create one product at a time or multiple product at a time. So firstly we create one product using injection molding. So wax pattern creation, a wax model of the final part is made using a mold. So next is assembly or treeing. This is the assembly or treeing. These are the tree made of wax. So multiple wax patterns are attached to a central wax sprue to form a tree. So this is the central sprue. These are the product will be made like this. So these are the wax attached with this central sprue. Next is cell building. So the wax assembly is repeatedly dipped into ceramic slurry and coated with sand to form a hard shell. So these are the slurry coating. We are dipping this tree into slurry coating. Firstly slurry coating, next the stucco coating. So this stucco coating is none other sand. So we are dipping this into slurry. Next we are dipping this into stucco coating, that is the into sand. This process is done 3 times and one layer of slurry and sand is created on this tree. Next the wax removal. When this coating is dried fully, we remove the wax from this coating. So this is called dewaxing. The wax is melted out, leaving a hollow ceramic mold. So this is the process, melting the wax. This is the coated tree. These are the coils. This one and this one are coils, and when the coils is turned on, heat generated, the tree is placed upside down, and when the wax melted, the wax comes out from the tree, from the coating, and this created a hollow portion. Next is metal pouring. Molten metal like steel, aluminium, bronze, etc. is poured into the shell. So this is the pouring of the metal. We pour the metal into this hollow portion. The hollow portion is created using slurry coating and stucco coating, slurry and sand. Next is cooling and shell removal. So we wait until it cools. We have poured molten metal inside this hollow portion. So we have to wait until it's cool. And next is shell removal. After solidification, the ceramic shell is broken away. So this is the shake out. So here we broke the coating. So we get the metallic product. So we finally get this type of tree made of metal. So we gently cut the product from the metallic tree. So here we are getting 6 products from this. Last step is finishing. Parts are cut off, cleaned, and may undergo machining or polishing if required. So these are the steps. So here in this slide we can see the steps one by one clearly. First one is the made of wax pattern. This is the wax pattern using injection molding. Next is mold assembly, creating the wax tree. Next is slurry coating. This is the stucco coating. Next the melting the wax. Next the pouring the metal. Next the shake out. So these are the steps. So we have understood the process of investment casting process. Let's now see the advantages of this investment casting process. Firstly, produces complex shapes that are hard to machine. So here we can produce the complex shapes and it is very easy to make them in this process. Excellent surface finish. Here we get excellent surface finish. So post machining process is very minimal. High dimensional accuracy. Here we get higher dimensional accuracy. Works with a wide range of alloys. But this process has some limitation. So higher cost compared to sand casting for simple parts. So if we want to create simple parts in sand casting process and with investment casting process, so the cost will be higher in investment casting process if the product is very simple. If the product is not simple, that is complex, then it will be easy to make using investment casting process because it is not possible to create using sand casting. So longer production time. So it is done using multiple steps. So it takes longer time, longer production time. Size limitation. So it is best for small to medium parts, not for very big parts. So what are the applications of investment casting process? So to create aerospace components, automotive parts, medical implants, jewelry and artistic metal work. So these are the applications. So here in this investment casting process, we are using wax. We are using wax to do the whole investment casting process, and the wax is melted out when we are doing the investment casting process. That's why it is called lost wax casting process. Wax is getting lost. That's why it is called lost wax casting process. So in this video I have discussed about investment casting process. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.